How to publish a text post on Substack. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are about to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow for that, so you can just go over and get started with the process. For that we can head over and go to Substack, and this is it, substack.com, and sign into your account if you're not signed in. Now once you've done this, we can start by creating up a new post. You can check this option right here and click on this option called create post and start up a new post here. Now we can start by adding in a new post. So first of all, you can add in a title, what your title is. Just go and add it here, and right below it you can write your text content in this editor section. So go ahead and enter it up, and in the top of our screen we have different formatting tools available, such as heading, bold, list, and many more, such as picture, videos, buttons, and others. After that, you can click on this option called subscribe now, and you can even look out for this. Click on this option for subscribe now, and you will be headed towards the next page, and you can start up your text publication here. So go ahead and do so, and go ahead and create up a post, and even add up a subtitle, insert images, choose if it's free or paid. If you have enabled subscriptions, and you will be seeing options, you can choose that one and confirm it up. And that is it. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.